at the car shop. Yes, I know. Which one should I choose? Just choose one. Okay. I will choose this one. Okay, let me see. I'm sorry. What? Why? It costs $200. $200? Sorry, it's too expensive. Well, what about this one? Oh yes, that's so cool. What is it? It's $20. What? How many you get? How much you got? $20. What? I want that car. Okay, let me go ask them. Okay, I'll choose this car. Please, please, please. Okay. What is it? So she wants this car. Oh, sorry, it costs $200. Oh yeah, $200. Okay. Well, I gotta go now. Oh, some customers help me. Okay. Sorry, it's $200. It's not enough money. But why? Please. Wait, I need to go to the bathroom. Be right back. Okay, I want to get. I need to get the car keys. But what should I do? I have an idea. I have to steal the key. Okay, just be quiet. Okay, I just wanna go and see. I feel like sleepy. I just wanna go sleep. Yes, I need to get the key. Okay, where is the key right now? So, oh, I know. It's this one. Okay, let's go. Okay, I have to do this. I hope it works. I hope it starts. Oh yes, it starts. Alright, let's do this. Nobody's here, right? Now let's go. Let's go. Okay, I'm all better. What? Where's the car? Oh no, I think Bowser took it. Hey! Sir! What is it? I have to hurry. Here's your $25. Oh, thank you. And here's your key. Oh, thank you. Okay, I have to go. I have to do this. Hurry up. Let's go. Oh no, it's coming. Please start. Hurry up. Quick. Oh, yes. Alright. I need to find him. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. I stole the car. I didn't pay for it. Oh no, I think Batman's coming. Okay, I have to go hurry. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Maybe he go to the tunnel. Okay, let's try. I think there's the Bowser. Okay, let's hurry. Oh no, I have to hurry up. Which way? This way? Or that way? Just going this way. Ah, yeah! think it's going this way. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's hurry, hurry, hurry. Where did it go? I can't find it anywhere. Just going this way. Oh, I get it. This must be here somewhere. I think it's right there. I think it's right there. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. Why is shaking too much? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, why is he shaking too much? I see him. I see him. Oh no. Hurry up. I need to go faster. Where did it go? This must be here. Whoa. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Where's Bowser? I don't see him anywhere. Oh no! Where did it go? I think we lost him. What? Alright, back to the TV shop. Oh no, that's not a TV shop. I forgot. We're going this way, I'm going this way. Oh yes, that's the one. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a car shop. Let's go, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Oh. Okay. I have to do this. Oh, I think it's Batman coming. I have to go hurry. I have to go hide. I have to go hide right here. Okay. Okay, let's go hide. Let's close it. Wait, is there one here? Okay, I give up. Now where is him? I think it's coming from the box. I think I saw his car. There's no one inside. Maybe it's right here. Oh, it's so heavy. Let's open it. Come on. Oh, Bowser? Oh, you found me. I know, but wait a minute. When I was gone, what, are you stolen your car? Yes, because I love that car. You didn't even pay for it? Oh no, you are going to be arrested. What is that? Arrested means arrested by the police or go to the jail. Oh, I don't like jail. So why you stole the car? Because I love that car and the sound is really nice. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Now I just want to destroy your car. But no, no. Oh, I have an idea. What are you doing? Just go. No! What? Hey, stop! 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 See what you done? Or else I want to become giant. Oh no! Stop! Don't destroy my car! Too late. No! No! Stop! Stop! Don't! No! Stop my car! Now what you did? No giant people allowed. Oops, sorry. I just want to destroy your car because you always stole. Now you're grounded. You always greedy. I'm sorry. Don't care. You're still grounded. You're grounded for 1 year. Go home now. Go to my car now. But I want to go that car. No? Fine. Let's go. You're going to be in big trouble, mister. I'm not adult.